got 210 miles of county highway. And if we figure a 24-year life on that, that means I got to be doing 9 miles a year. And historically, for the last, at least since 2014 when I came to the county, we haven't come close to 9 miles. Okay, so every year we're falling farther and farther behind. And so we started looking at this a little bit, because if I can get to a 30-year life on that pavement, now I only need to be doing about 7 miles a year. Okay, now my budget gets a lot easier to try and get the county board to get to 7 miles instead of trying to get to 9, right? So we would typically chip seal at year 3 or 4. As soon as we start seeing those real fine hairline cracks, usually after a rain event, you can see those little lines in there. So what we did is we worked with this RPE, and we are seeing in those sections where it had the penetrating emulsion, you're not getting that little bit of raveling on the surface. It gets a little oxidized, it gets a little ragged. After a few years, it gets a little bit less smooth. We're not seeing that because all of those air voids that are in the surface are now filled in with this RPE, which keeps the water out. Well, in every one of them little air voids where you get water in there, you get freeze thaw, what happens? It starts to deteriorate it. So the idea is, if we get that in there, you seal that up better, you keep more of the water out. Is that section of M, we would normally chip seal. We would chip seal it this year. I'm not probably looking to chip seal for another 4 to 6 years because that RPE in those sections is holding up so well. But that is going to basically allow us not to have to chip seal in year 3 or 4. We can push it to 8, 10 years out, maybe 12. And then that just extrapolates out, so trying to get to that 30-year mark or even further. You know, and it's all about the budget and the funding.